EBizCharge is a payment integration that allows you to accept, manage, and simplify payment collections in Kechie. Here, let me show you. Within Kechie ERP, once you are ready to accept a payment on an order, you simply select the saved customer card on file and authorize the card. Once the card is authorized and the items are shipped, EBizCharge will automatically capture the payment. With the EBizCharge plugin for Kechie ERP, you can easily add, change, or delete customer payment methods on file. Protect your customers' data with PCI-compliant security. EBizCharge tokenizes and secures customer credit card information and reduces your liability with off-site data storage. As a manager, have access to advanced reporting tools, easily build customizable reports to gain insights into the metrics you care about most. And finally, save time by having batch reports auto-delivered to your email inbox every day. Best of all, EBizCharge qualifies cards at the lowest rates, so you pay less on monthly processing fees. Whether you're on the desktop or the mobile app, accepting payments has never been easier. Go to EBizCharge.com to set up a demo today.